Hello YouTube, how you doing? Welcome back to my channel. How you doing? I hope everybody is being great out there. As you guys can see inside today, there's a pretty little thing haul. All dresses, long and shorts. All dresses. I just be like, I need, because I'm a dress girl. I've always been a dress girl. After dress, then you can put on a jumpsuit and I'm up for it, and a romper and a good old set, girl, I'm here for it. But dresses is my first love. I love dresses. So I went ahead and picked up these dresses. This dress, you could wear it on a girls' night out. You could wear it to brunch. You could wear it to a wedding. You could wear it to a party. You could wear it to anywhere you want to wear it to. So if you're new here, you are welcome. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe before you leave out. And if you're already a goodie subscriber, thank you for checking me out. And if you are just branching by, don't forget to, hit that subscribe button and also the bell notification so you guys can be notified every time your girl drop a video. Without further ado, let's see what I got from Pretty Little Thing. Thank you. Okay guys, I went ahead and got this dress. This dress, I already bought it in a smaller size. I thought it was going to fit. Then I had to return it and get it in this size. It is this beautiful gold mustard dress right over here. Really cute, really nice. It is very long. You guys can see it in the inserts. Even if I'm 5'5", so this dress is long. With heels, the dress is still dragging on the floor. That is the kind of dress I like. Okay, the dress that you gotta put on and then it still covers your heels, girl. It makes you look even taller than what you are. It is a v-neck. It does show your chest right over here, so if you want, you could wear a booby tape with it and that will be really good and enough. Or if you have those plunge bra that your bra won't show but it still show that you did wear a bra but your bra is not showing whatsoever, that will be a very cute outfit with this one. Also, it is pretty open. Like, it is like literally select all the way right here for me. Okay, so I went ahead and I pinned it up. I had to. I really had to. It ain't that kind of party. It ain't that kind of party at all. So we are not showing the kitty cat. We're not showing the goodies, because this dress is so elegant that you could wear it to like a big event. So you gotta still be cute and be classy at the same time. Your cleavage is already showing. We don't want to sit down there at all. So if you want, you could sew this down, or like I did it, I just put a little pin on it, and that's what I used to do to try and hold. I haven't worn this dress out, but I kind of lost the tag, so I don't know what the name is, but it would definitely be in the description box or on the screen. Also, you guys will be able to see it also. Like I said, it's very long, really cute. It does have a zipper right here, and as you guys can see, it does have a string right over here, adjustable strap right over here, and this part is pretty covered. It does have a ruching right over here, so yeah, you're still covered up, and again, you're still looking beautiful. Okay, y'all, the next one that I got, it is also this yellow and flowery outfit right over here. It is really cute. It does have an elastic thingy on the waist right over here. Really cute, really nice. I really like this, but it fits kind of odd on the body, because on the hip area it's a little bit snug, and then on top here it's pretty loose on my body. I got this in a size 6. Yeah, if I got into my real size, it would just not be it at all. I don't know if I'll be able to like take it on the waist, on the chest area. If I take it to the tailor, maybe they will be able to take it for me on the side. It does also have a slit right over here. It does cinch you in a little bit on the waist, and the arm is like a balloon sleeve. Like y'all know, if you're new here, your girl love exaggerated sleeve, baby. We love exaggerated sleeve on this channel. And it has like an elastic band right here on the arm area. It is not long. It is like a half sleeve situation going on. It is really cute, and it's very long. Good for my tall girls out there. Same thing with the other one that I showed you guys. It is good for the tall girls out there. It is so beautiful. Like I said, I got this in a size 6, and that one I got it in a size 8. So yeah, really cute, really nice. If I tell you, for some weird reason, I really love this dress. It is pretty simple, But I really love this dress. This dress is so cute on me, and it's so cute to me. I like the sleeve. It's not exaggerated, but it's like a bell sleeve situation going on. Really cute. It is also open on the chest. Okay, I don't know what these companies are doing. Okay, we ain't gotta show our titties. Let's all be a little bit conservative. Okay, all right. So it is pretty open on the chest. So I went ahead and I pinned it over here, or you can sew it also. Really cute, and it's pretty open also on the bottom part area. So you might want to pin it, sew it, do something. It came with the belt, cinch you in, and you look really cute in it. It does have a long zipper going on the back, and as you guys can see, it does have a bunch of like flower. It's a red outfit, but it have a bunch of like flower. As you guys know, we're in spring, so this dress is perfect for the weather. It has a bunch of flowers, blue, yellow, rose, lily, you know, all those kind of good stuff on the body. This dress is cute. I really like it. I got this in a size 8. And I think it's pretty good. I think the reason why I got in an 8 is the length. I really want it to be long. And this is also good for my tall girl out there. Also, this dress is really cute. Put your head back the way I put my back. Put it in a nice bun right here. That will go well with this. Simple, nice black clutch, or red clutch, or pink clutch, or brown clutch, or yellow shoe, whatever color. You could get away with it with this dress. This dress is really cute. All right, guys, the next one I got, it is this yellow, like a lime green yellow situation going on right over here. Let me move it a little closer so you guys can see. You guys see it right there. It does have the detail. It does have the detailing right over here, the scrunchy detailing, where you could make it longer or shorter. It depends on your preference. It does curve on the back. It is like a high-low situation going on. The front part is curved right. It's really sexy. And then the back part is pretty long. Cinch you on in the nice in the waist. And it does have a cow neck situation going on also on it. So this is cute. You cannot wear a bra with this, but if you have to, just wear like a strapless bra with this also, and I think you'll be able to go. And you could also wear a shaper. If I have to wear this, I'll wear a shaper with this, because y'all know your girl has been eating, okay? Wear that with this, and you will look really cute. You could wear this to a date night with your man or your woman, or you could wear this a birthday party, a dinner date, a brunch, and wear like a nice blazer on top of it with a nice beautiful heel and a nice clutch. But baby, you be nice and ready to go. Alright guys, the next one that I got, it is this red dress right over here. It does have like a flare thingy going on at the bottom right over here. It is also a v-neck. It is pretty plungy, and it has this string non-adjustable right here. And the other dress, I mastered the yellow dress. I got that in a size 6 also. It doesn't have a tag. Don't forget to check the description box up, and you guys have to shopping. So yeah, this one does still have that tag, and it is called the red strappy tie waist fishtail MIDI dress. I got this in a size 8. I think a size 6 would have been good also, but a size 8 is pretty good. It does come with a belt. You could tie it in the front and the back. You can wrap it around twice on your body, and it should be able to, you should be able to go. It's a classy little dress. You could also wear it to a wedding, a birthday dinner, whatever you want to wear it to. You could actually wear this dress to it, and you're gonna be looking fly and beautiful. This is okay guys. The last dress and the last one that I got from Pretty Little Thing is this dress right over here. It does look like the yellow mustardy, the yellow one that I showed you before, the red one. Yeah, it does look like that, but this one is more of a silky material. That one is not. That one's more of the stretchy kind of material. It does also have the cow neck situation going there, and this one does have an adjustable strap, while that one does not have one. It does also come with a stringy thingy right over here that you can make it shorter or longer as long as you want it. It's also short in the front and long in the back, and this one's more shorter than the yellow one. And this one is called Khaki Satin Strappy Ruched Side MIDI dress in a size 6. I got this in a size 6 because it does have a little bit of give to it, and we all know 6 in Pretty Little Thing is also a medium. 6 and 8 is a medium with them. So yeah, that's why I got this. Really cute, really nice. I'll also pair this with a nice beautiful heel. I could leave it like that, or I could put like a blazer on top of it, and I think it will look pretty good. All right, yeah, the next thing I got, it is this beautiful puffy white dress. I know it's white, it's gonna wash your girl out a little bit. This outfit right here, if I know I should have gotten me a small, I mean a 4, which would probably be a small, but it's really cute. Exaggerated sleeve. You guys know it's white, it's definitely gonna wash me out. It's really cute, really nice. It does have a band-aid, a stringy thingy right here on the, I'll move it closer. Okay, you guys can see better right now. So yep, it is this. It has a deep V right over here, a nice beautiful stringy thingy, and a poofy bottom right over here, and so is the arm. You guys see how this is so cute, so nice. You guys see it on me. The one thing I don't like is the fact that the whatever band they put right here, it keeps turning, and it's so freaking annoying. But other than that, it is cute. It does come in other colors, and I plan on getting the other colors. This is really, really cute. I love it. I love it. I love it. I really love this. It's a drop shoulder, also really nice, really cute. I'm in love with this dress. It's have a little bit of weight to it, but it's really cute, really nice. I like it. Really cute. Okay guys, that brings us to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching the way to the end. You guys are the real MVP. I will be styling some of this outfit in some of my other videos, so if you want to see how I'm going to put them together, go ahead and stay tuned for that one. If you're not following me on Instagram, go ahead and follow me. It's also Mrstitotv. The link to it will be in my description box. Alright guys, until next time, remember to live your life like no one is watching, because God got your back. Mwah!